Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Look at that. And it's huge. Okay. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to finish this cross stitch pattern as a Christmas ornament. Hello my lovelies, it's Maria from Maria Custo Designs. Welcome to my stitching corner. You'll find everything cross stitch here, like tutorials, stitch alongs, behind the scene videos, how I'm making my own designs for my Etsy shop, and other crafts like what I'm using the thread or floss I have. Let's get started. Okay, let's get started. So what do you need is a string. It's up to you which one you like, but make it a strong one. Okay, I made this in a like clear plastic canvas, as you can see here. I had black with that felt, not the dark brown one because I didn't find dark brown. We cut it out the same size. And you're gonna need the same floss like the back. So because I have black, I'm using the DMC 310, but I only need one skein because we are going to back stitch all the corner, and I'm going to need super glue to put the string behind it, like this. So it's gonna hang from, as you can see, this loop here. It's gonna be empty. That's where it's gonna hang. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first of all, I'll cut out the string. It depends how long you want it. I think this one's good. Okay, now I have to push it through here first. Okay. Okay, I'm going to use the super glue here. Sorry, don't look at the back. It's very messy. Next, when it's dry, I'm going to make 4 little dots on here, just to keep it nice and straight, and put it right on the side. Wait a little bit until it sticks. Okay, what am I doing now? Let's take out a skein. Okay. Make a little knot on the other end. Okay, and how I'm gonna start is I'm going to go between them. Okay, so I think I'm going to start from here. See, go between. Okay, there is the end, and now you push it in. and you won't see it on either side. Now you just do back stitching, okay? Just go around. It is a tiny bit time consuming, but it's gonna be perfect. Okay, now when you already have a tiny piece of thread left, you go down, but make sure it's between, like this. You pull it through and tuck it in the middle, and then you can start a new one again. As you can see, it's very neat. It's gonna look like this. Okay, and the last little bit, okay, so this is the last one. Okay, when you go down, you don't go completely under, you go between the two. Okay. Like this, so you won't see it under. Okay. And you just cut it off, and you are done stitching. Last but not least, we're gonna cut off the excess part of the felt. Just follow the lines. And it's done. Voila. It looks beautiful. Look at that. I'm going to link the pattern below if you would like. Okay, if you got to this part of the video, comment snowflake in the comments below. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Feel free to share with your crafty friends, and until next time, keep stitching. Bye!